So this is a video that will be really a conversation between Mike and I will give in a second video to Wendy so she can take and video that, and we'll see how it goes. And okay, so here you go, Wendy.
All right.
All right, so the idea was really to get like a minivan that will give me a space more for the living room idea, because that's where my difficulty while with the Mazda. And the best way to take advantage of my height and the space is really to create a bed for me going from window to window. And I fit just exactly there. So we had a few challenges and we worked around it, and we're still working on it. But I found that, and Wendy, you probably agree with me as an artist, that when we have problems and we have kind of mistakes, those actually give us a room to create even better ideas and open from that
For
to
sure.
better solutions. And Mike is obviously the best way to create the best solution. So the idea here that there will be a drawer coming out of here, and so I will be able to, if I don't have a picnic table, if I'm somewhere where I'm boondocking and I don't want to start getting out my table, or a quick dinner that I need to make, there will be a slide of a drawer coming here, so I will have my stove available, and hopefully Mike can come with a solution to create another space of countertop. That is one of my water supply, and maybe we'll be able to create like a notch so it will not slide. But this is all kind of like problems that as we go, we find solution for them. I have another storage here that will be things that I don't necessarily need to get right away. So that is one of them. So coming here, here's my living room. I went to IKEA to the kids section and I bought that chair. It's a little bit high, so we might have to take it down. But this is, and you'll be surprised, I found that I have actually less space storage than the Mazda. In the Mazda, I was able to fit up things everywhere. So we might actually create another box here that will be along the side here that I will be able to fit things. I'm still trying to see how I work this space, where this is my shoe box. That probably will go here, and I have exactly the same box of where is my bathroom really is. So that might be like that section, and then I will see how I will install that and how we're gonna work with it. And really, I mean, I still have a lot of things to create. I would like to create like a window treatment.
Lay in your bed.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Okay,
So we
I'll
can
show
see
you.
how it fits.
Take my shoes off.
Yeah, don't put your shoes on in bed.
But it's pretty much like, laying down here. This is good. I mean, it will. We try it out with the mattress, so it will be nice. I still have my cocoon feeling that I really love, and just coming out. I will have here my toilet. That's really just an emergency toilet, and I'll show you how I'm going to put it in boxes. I will have here I will have like more approach to my water and other things, and it will be the power supply that will come here. But yeah, I mean it's coming along. Mike, do you want to give them just your point, like?
Yeah, so luckily the space is a uniform width, so we can make a box that is about 47, 48 inches wide and about 19 inches tall, and everything fits in there. There's some fun little hardware units. This cooler comes out on a slider, which is mounted to the wooden base down there. And there's a cutout behind so that the extra space can be used for that. Over here, this will be a desk. There'll be a table that slides out from here, and it'll fold open, so it'll slide out to about here, and then it'll fold open to about here,
That's cool.
Yeah, it's very cool
It'll be
actually.
a big-
Genius.
Big space. I think this chair is going to be a little too tall, so we may have to cut this post down a little shorter. So she could, I mean, obviously I can't fit here, but Sheila probably can. And she'll have room for her laptop and a mouse. And
But show them how the bottom, how you actually created the
yeah,
bottom
so
part.
this little prototype, but the drawer will slide out. This thing pops open, and this little notch slides in to lock it in place.
Nice.
And then this little tab keeps it closed so it doesn't.
Brilliant.
flip
Yeah,
down.
no, honestly, genius.
And that's it.
Alright.
Right? All right.
Any last moment thoughts?
No, I think it's exciting. I do have to say I'm very fogged with what's going on with my family back home. So I'm sorry. That took a lot of my happiness and joy and excitement. But life goes on, and my prayer and for them and the safety of Israel. So